Haino hai Laharo bai Khungnwi Dadaksidak Thutailaikha Lahar Patimong Patiwi Sakdukho Mankha Thutailaikha bai gotongnai Khoroknwi Patimong Chorilam constituency bisingo khobjanai Brajapur Amchaio nugoi tongnai rokni khoktui sawi Mankha achumsa doi faijak bai Khungnwi Dadaksidak Thutailaikha Lahar Patimong Patikha tei a Lahar Patimongni jari Thutailaikha Sakdukho Mankha bai gotongnai Khoroknwi bike chaloknai ro ganagini nugoi tongnai rok logi borokno ganani sakamnogo riro holaikha ulo patibathaya police rok bahaino thangsogoi laimani koktuma tei Lahar Pati mungo Dadaksidak Thutainai bai Khungnwi nobo khosawi thanabo tubui faika kami Amchaio tongnai lokorokni kok silchamung Brajapur Amchaio doi malkhung bike chalokmani jari obahaike Lahar Patimong Patiwi tongo haini bagai o Amchaio traffic tongnani Belai khe nango naicher mungteibo korak khlainani nango hini saka lokoro
ঘটনা হয়েছে আমরা বিশালগড় ফায়ার সার্ভিসটা কলাইছে যে বজর বাজারটা পার হয়ে একটা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে অলরেডি আমি গাড়ি নিয়ে গেলাম দেখি দুইটা বাইকের সংঘর্ষ বাইকের ভিতরে সংঘর্ষ আমরা যেন দুইজনকে সিরিয়াস কন্ডিশন পাইছি আমরা ওখানে দুজন রিক্সা করে আমরা বিশালগড় মহকুমা হসপিটাল নিয়ে
নাম জানা গেছে
নাম একটার নাম পাইছি বাপন দেবনাথ 24 বছর এও মানে এটা ঠিক না মানে আননং
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norogni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nowabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayungber ni Sakduk naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisa baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo Sakduk naijago o hospital lo x-ray khi sutui cough test khlairni bagai nangmashak sepsap tongo te test khlai ujago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak salo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai Sakduk naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na Chennai ni specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarok no phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarok ni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi Sakduk najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bem ni Sakduk sebmana ni musung khake eba tebashina musung khake kengdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015 and from this humble beginning over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital
oro kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo oro treatment khaipayo Khungnwi hospital lok ni sulai oro kisa rangbai no kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo tai bo kaham kai saiman nani bagai tin hospital of hai visit khlaimano hambai